How do you feel? Whatever?
I have to fix it eventually.
Dang.
Y'all apologize that time.
For what?
Bruh. Thumbnail for this.
With the pokey signature?
With the pokey.
Bro, you. Right now?
Yeah, I've been.
Bro, day 2? Day 1? We rescue. Quote unquote rescue a freaking rape victim. What is
Souvenir.
It's part of that, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure.
My,
Probably just broke off.
my boy just fucking grinded on the cement right now.
This is it right here.
We just took his whole side part of the car off
Bro,
right as we're leaving the parking lot.
bro. Right,
What?
day 2, man. First day. Freaking.
Is that gonna fit though?
Yeah, we gotta put all
It don't fit, yeah. It's just.
Oh, we got the machine gun. We got the bazooka.
We got the stick.
We got the stick for real. Fuck, man. We don't got YouTube money either. We don't got YouTube money either.
We can maybe tie it on top of the car.
This is, bro, that was unexpected. You just said, you were just talking about the program.
We get something.
Boom.
We can just. I think it's fine like that.
What'd you think? You didn't see this, or what was the situation there? Too early? Bruh, that grinded hard on the. How did it even? Oh yeah. Like I'm surprised it didn't just like hit. That night was it.
I've been hugging on my side of the door.
What I thought was this. I was so scared of this one.
Why? Why is that?
That would be horrible. But
Hey,
if it's that,
even it out.
it's like that. I mean, it'll hang on my side more. Alright, try not to snap.
Bruh, Jonathan got the RPG.
Alright, but like the program.
Yeah, the program. Goodbye, bro. Close it?
Yeah, close it, bro.
Hey, hey, shut up, motherfucker.
Wait, be careful.
I'm not, yeah, okay, I'm not gonna slam it. I'm gonna go easy.
There you go.
Good?
Wait.
Say goodbye, bitch. You sure? Don't put your arm up like that. What are you doing?
I gotta put.
Oh, Joe. Alright.
Nothing, a little duct tape, bitch.
Yeah, just a little spit and duct tape.
Why are you not recording this?
Bruh, I swear, I'm thinking like, Josh does not want me to vlog this, right?
Come on, bro. I think
Josh is like, record everything we do.
Yeah, I think Josh wants you to vlog everything.
Fuck.
Record the good and the bad.
The bad.
Wait, hold on. Let me get that one. Bro, day 1, you're still recording?
Yeah.
Day 1, we quote unquote help a freaking rape victim.
Probably.
Day 2, we freaking destroy my car. Where did the ticket go? Day 3, we lose the ticket.
Probably.
Hey, maybe my car's lighter now. Oh wait, no.
Bruh, even it out, break the other side.
Just like, be quiet. There's a guy here.
Oh, fuck.
I'll just flash.
Shut up, Joe.
Please insert credit card or validation. You paid when you came in?
We used cash. We just paid it.
Okay, hold on, yeah. No worries. It's just not working, but it is. I see it's
Okay.
Cover yourself.
Right, if that shows up.
I got it. Yeah. Seatbelt, Michael.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
It worked.
What's up with they on, bro? What's up with they on? Alright, anyone know the way? Anyone can tell me the way? I don't want to touch anything from my hands on it too. Shit, I can't even move to open my. Give directions from back there.
Is it?
Oh, let me call.
Wait, so we don't want to, we're not going to the food or?
Let's go hotel first.
Okay, hotel.
Or no, actually.
What?
to like a gas station or something close to the hotel with like duct tape.
We can try to
Isn't there a Target? There's a Target next to the hotel.
Hardware store, bro.
There's a Target next to the
Yeah,
hotel?
there's a Target next to down the street where before Denny's.
At the hotel?
Yes.
Bro, but the hotel's like halfway in the other direction.
What do you mean?
Where we
15
wanna
minutes?
You kind of have to stop anyways. I'm pretty sure we don't want to drive with the big ass thing.
Yeah.
And the hotel will be really confused when we carry this big ass. We just drop that shit in the hotel.
No,
Yeah.
try to tape it up. 2, 4, 5.
Hey, get ready on the left.
This way?
Yes.
Oh, you got it, Danny?
Yeah. You're at Target, fucking restroom. I'm gonna get your penis on YouTube. We need some tools to fix that bumper. I'm surprised that Pokey hasn't set it off with all the stress.
I was sweating.
We gotta. Our battery's running low though, so we're gonna see what we can find. Yeah, so it's gonna be all done. All purpose, dude. All purpose.
Put glue on that.
It's fat. I think we should do both, bruh.
Dude, glue.
There you go.
We'll get the regular glue. The one with that. What is that?
Now you go
Animal.
gorilla. Gorilla.
We need some fat duct tape on that thing.
You gorilla.
You don't think some spray will hold it? Wait, you're not gonna look through?
This is fine.
Is this it?
How about this one? The
Pro Strength.
Dude, I have a bunch of Red Bulls in the car.
Why? What is the difference here? Any big difference?
Last longer outdoors.
All I need. Guess that's all we want? Or, hey, we're not getting snacks? Nothing like that? No one want that? We go trick-or-treating. Nah.
Snacks, ice cream.
Mmm.
No, the fridge is just small storage.
Open your arms. Oh, look, a pipe. My battery's dead. So, I guess I'll see you guys probably back at the hotel. I don't think I'll be able to get the footage of us fixing the car.
Not bad, I didn't need that.
Fuck right here behind the bush. The ass fat. Oh, we gotta fix this. I'll bring my other light out. You gotta bring your light.
It's like a fucking
Lighter.
yeah.
Lighter. Jonathan, open that duct tape. Can you open it?
I opened it, but I can't.
Open the gates.
Oh,
Open the gate. I'll put it back on so he touches breaking the gates.
we got the duct tape. Tezuyu?
That girl that had the cane that you almost ran into?
K-pop right there. JYP.
Mmm. Nah, definitely needs way more.
Gotta keep the aesthetic value, dude.
Yeah. Spray paint it. Paint the tape for the aesthetics. Oh, you're right.
Just make Pokemon sign all the duct tape. Make her sign the whole 3 meters of the duct tape. Oh, yeah. That's a better idea.
Ah! Fuck!
You okay?
That's your how, huh?
Hey, chill, bro.
What?
You fucking right in my ass.
Oh shit, my bad.
You like about to eat it.
He was nephew.
Ow.
I didn't expect to see your head.
Damn.
No way.
No way.
No way.
What happened? You're definitely gonna want to get this part. That that corner.
Oh, sorry.
That's even better, bro. We got more room to work with.
Yeah. Watch him just parking right there, and he thought we were doing shit to his car.
Yeah, right. Snacks. Can you put stuff right here?
Yo, are you for real?
No,
Okay.
what the fuck?
You don't even have a reason to be right there. You don't even got a reason to be exactly there.
Trying to help out.
I'm like this.
I'm part of your face next
He's just trying
time.
to help out. You don't want him to help.
What the
Yeah.
fuck?
Holy
You're
shit,
the only
man.
shit. Get over yourself.
Over myself?
Man, everyone trying to get your ass.
Okay, I got up just because my fucking knees hurt.
Yeah.
My knee.
Yeah.
My fucking knee hurts.
You should be bending over. What the hell? I'm being serious.
Are you?
Dude, I'm trying to get an angle here. Dude, I'm moving over here. I'm gonna shine it up over here. What are you?
You just looked. You looked at literally Josh's
I
back.
was trying to get underneath to see the fucking side skirt, bro.
Bro, you got smacked up right here, bro. What the fuck? Trying to help my amigo.
Oh shit!
Alright, now you get it.
That's an accident. I'm fucking done. That's fucking stupid, bro. One mistake. One mistake.
You're hella gay.
Not sus.
Gay.
How to fix your car, your right side bumper, and install a new one.
How too basic.
You seen that video of the cars, of the dogs tearing off the bumper of the car?
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, that was crazy.
You know how Mala fucked up his bumper? I was like, this is the real reason.
You know what I hope doesn't happen though is that when you hit like a bump on the side, if it just doesn't boom, knock it easily off, you know?
I was like,
That's what everyone hopes.
Bruh.
It doesn't come off.
well, you should be fine, bro. You know what I hope? That doesn't fall off when we're driving back home. We didn't engineer.
Bro, it's all freaking dirt.
Hey, just hit it. Just hit it hard again. See if it falls off. Step down on it.
Holy crap. Okay, this side's scary, dude.
You for sure want more though. Right there, look. On this crack. Test it, for real.
No, yeah. No. It's not being.
It's not gonna go like that.
Okay, no. Just from the bottom.
It just kind of falls off.
Whole car
Yeah,
falls
you-
apart.
Yeah, the
engine-
other side falls off.
Or
fuck.
you hear the left bumper come off.
Fuck, man.
Fucking engine falls off.
The window's shattered. Oh yeah, just I saw a picture where this doctor.
Are you putting duct tape on the duct tape?
Yeah, dude, you gotta lock that shit in place.
You gotta lock it in.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, that's hella aesthetic right here. Duct tape.
This is the part that's falling off, right?
Why don't he just...
Are you? There's nothing to light up, bruh. Right here.
Did you try to?
Those dudes is actually that's on the side of the line outside. There you go. Yeah, but it's also super.
I'll take that one. That's the lock right there. That's the lock in the coffin.
That is the lock in the
Yeah,
coffee.
we get pizza, we get Wingstop, we get
You can get everything.
Chinese food, the fuck.
I think we fixed it.
Chinese food is ass.
Should we
Mm.
bring it back home? We're good. Get in, John.
Finally fix it. Hopefully he fucking doesn't fuck up on the way.
Imagine if you left his phone
I
up
thought you
there.
were gonna get in the back, Johnson. Huh? I thought you were gonna get in the trunk.
Yeah.
I ain't
What
back
happened?
there no more.
I was just fucking with you. I was just fucking with you.
It doesn't matter. Y'all order the line. Where are we going? We need to decide where we're going first.
That's true.
I'll do it then. I'll go in the trunk.
You'll go in the trunk? You got your fucking knee.
I know, but it's like for the content.
For the content, we ain't gonna
Wow, for the cloud, I'm done.
There's no clout if I don't have any on my channel.
No. It can hit up against me for real.
Oh, Daniel?
It can hit up against his knee for real.
Just blood, pus everywhere in the
It's
car.
gonna be hitting up against this shit. The knee will hit this part?
Damn, how to fix a car in 13 minutes. That's how long it took us.
I thought.
Beauty.
I thought he was actually just trying to fix the car.
We're now at Taco Bell because we wanted something cheap to eat, but something at least still good. You going, Jonathan? What? Oh.
Right? Yo, where's my hair tie? Hold on.
He's in the restroom.
Can you look at the app?
You gonna go?
Josh, you got my hair tie?
You gonna go?
I'm good.
You can go.
You're not gonna go?
I haven't decided yet.
I'll hold it.
You want to look at the combos too?
I will need that super box, man.
Regular cup. Daniel? Oh, really?
Yeah, I was kind of
Oh, okay. I don't know if my phone recorded. Probably not gonna put it in because he filmed some weird spot. But I just got 2 bean burritos, a quesarito, and I'm about to get a nice drink. I don't know what to get though. Yo, Spike Lemonade is honestly pretty good, but very unhealthy. I should get water, but I got this cup for a reason. I wanted something bomb. Kickstart maybe? Baja Blast? Oh shoot, it just automatically squares. Hold up. Got it. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is gonna smack. I said this is gonna smack.